Hey Kathleen, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. I was just down the road, so I figured I'd come by and talk a little bit about what I found while at your home. We need to get the gutters clean, get a gutter protection over them. So, as a gutter cleaning company, we've seen all the gutter guards out there that kind of work, and the ones that don't. And so, what I like to remind my clients is, even though you have us install the best gutter guard out there that we feel is going to help you out long term, there is no maintenance free solution when it comes to gutter guards. So eventually someone's going to need to blow some debris or twigs off your roof, maybe even flush out any smaller particulates may get into the gutters. So check out the video attached to the gutter guard, and you'll be able to see the benefits of going with a raindrop gutter guard style service. So hope you're doing well, Kathleen. Once again, always an honor and a privilege to help you out in your home. And pick the package down below that best meets your needs, and we'll get this taken care of right away. Take care. Thank you.